Growth doesn't come from comfort. It comes from courage. If somebody offers you an amazing opportunity, but you are not sure you can do it, say yes, then learn how to do it later. Too many talented people hesitate because they don't feel ready. But here's the truth. You don't grow before the opportunity. You grow because of the opportunity. Skills can be learned. Experience can be gained. Confidence is built in motion. Clarity comes after commitment. Strength shows up when pressure arrives. Potential is unlocked in real moments. What can't be replaced? The chance itself. The most successful leaders didn't wait to feel ready. They said yes. They took responsibility. They figured it out along the way. Fear doesn't mean stop. Fear means you're stepping forward. So next time opportunity knocks, don't ask, am I ready? Ask instead, am I willing to grow? Say yes. Learn fast. Adapt faster. Deliver big.